You guys, what is going on? We've got Doofy back with another vid. Okay, today we're going to be doing a 15 crate opening. Alright, so I mean I've got loads of crates compared to my keys. I've only got 15 keys, right there. And I've got 34 crates. 45 crates. So, okay. Right, so I'm going to be opening all of my Haunted Hallows plus the accelerators. Wait, do we actually have 45? That's 4 rows. Is it? Oh, we've got 35. Oh wait, no, wait, have we got 45? Oh wait, no, we've got 15 keys. Wait, oh yeah, we have got 15 keys. Okay, let's just get straight in. I'm hoping we can get one of the new gold explosions in this. Glitch crate. Come on, glitch crate, you can please do this. Come on, first crate, banger. Stitches. Close to the cauldron. I don't mind, it's only the first crate. Painted though. Also, I'm doing a crate opening today because it's double painted weekend, which is pretty sick as well. They've not done this in a few months now. Now I'll be opening the 2 newest crates they've released. Widow's Web. Okay, can that be painted too? Regular Widow's Web. It's a Widow's Web now. Glitch crate, come on. Painted. Please be painted. Whatever you... Let's go! We got Reaper! Yes, let's go. Third crate in, and we've got a Reaper already. Glitch crates, let's go. Come on, another glitch crate. Can we get back to back? So close to back to back. We've already got a Reaper, which is what I wanted in the first place. Now all I need now is the vampire bat and some painted wheels. That's all I need. That's all I'm wanting. We've already got one on my checklist. Okay. Scary pumpkin, nice. I'm wondering if we can do a trade up after as well. We've got a scary pumpkin. I'm loving that. Glitch crate, please. Help me again, glitch crate. Help me again. Come on, glitch crate. Another Reaper! No way! What is this luck? Answer. What is this luck? I've not had any luck for ages. And now, in just a few crates, we've already got 2 Reapers. Back to back. My luck is so good right now. No way. We just got What is this luck? I've not had any luck this good ever since I unboxed the Striker Heatwave back to back with Turbo K2s. That's the best luck I've ever had, but this luck is sick as well. Grimmelkins. Nice. Can we get some colour on them? Alright, regular. I don't really mind. They're good. They look cool, Grimmelkins. Come on. Again, glitch crate. We've got the glitch crate. Dominus Afterlife. Can we get some colour? Because I like the Afterlife. I use the Dominus. Nice! Is that orange? Nice. I've already got the burnt sienna, but that is sick. Orange. 4 more Haunted Hallows to go. The only import we need now is the cauldrons. We've already got 3 gold explosions. Thanatos. Come on. Colour. Think we can get some colour? Regular Thanatos. I don't care, to be honest. The luck's been good. The luck's been good. Like, really good. Breakout stitches. Let's go. We can some more colour on it. Which means in 2 crates we're going to get an input if we just got the stitches again. Start on the stitches, end on a Reaper. Come on, come on. That was actually so close. We've got the Windows web again. We've got Windows web. Okay, now can we end the Halloween crates on something sick? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I'm gonna shut my eyes. Oh, scary pumpkin again. Okay, nice. So, alright. So the Halloween crates, we've got Grimalkins, a Painted Afterlife, Show-Off Reaper and a normal Reaper, 2 Scary Pumpkins, Breakout Stitches, quite a lot, another Thanatos, the Vampire Bat, and some Windows Webs. This luck is insane right now. Seriously, this luck is absolutely insane. Can we get the same luck on the accelerators? Can we? I really want the Jaeger. Looks so sick with Twisted Tree. Oh, start on a chrono, end on a painted chrono. Come on, double drop. Let's go, double drop. Can we? Critters. Well, I mean, you can't have luck in every crate. You can't have luck in every crate. But, plus you can't have a crate opening with accelerators without critters. Alright, final crate. Come on, glitch. What do we get in this crate? Person that. Alright, nice. The crate opening, pretty sick. Now here we go for the trade-ups. We get the Windows web, the stitches and the Thanatos. First trade up. We get Grimalkins. Okay, good, we got some regular. I can keep one. I'm going to keep the Afterlife. Let's go. Painted Zombie. Is that Crimson? No, wait, if that's Crimson. If that is Crimson. Burnt Sienna. Ah. So close. Right, this import we get is going to be on trade lock. No, wait, hold on. Scary Pumpkin, Revenant. No, wait. Okay. So Scary Pumpkin, Grimalkin, Revenant, Grimalkin, Scary Pumpkin. Let's go. Another Reaper. There we go. I'm sorted. I'm done. I'm actually done. Our luck's been amazing this episode. Okay, we got a painted... Hold on, I want to see how this looks. Okay, so packs down. No, wait, not inventory. Choose banner. Alright. Nice. Let's go. Painted Zombie. I don't know how you can top this. I don't know how. I've never had a whole crate opening with this much luck. Okay, so now, I don't know. Okay, so gold explosions. Show-Off Reaper I'm the vampire bat. Let's go. I'm just gonna like play local exhibition. Bam bam. It's not limited. Soccer 1v1. One goal. I want to see this. I just want to see both goal explosions in game. They both look sick. Let's go. There we go. This is sick. Well done. Reaper. Honestly, this is the best luck I've had in ages on this game. The best luck. We've had a painted zombie. We've had loads of painted res. We've had a vampire bat, and we've had 3 reapers. I might trade. I don't know. Should I give away or just trade? Because one reaper I'm always gonna have because that's on complete trade lock. So I'm always gonna have at least 1 reaper. Vampire bat. Hey, yes, let's go. All right. Okay, so alright, that's going to be a wrap up of this vid. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you have a great day from now. So, okay, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.